Hi everyone, I'm Bethany the Booktastic Mom, and today I have a subscription box from My Pre-K Box. Thank you so much for stopping by today. I'm very excited to share my preschool box with you today. If you're new here, like I said earlier, my name is Bethany. I'm a homeschool mom. I've been homeschooling for 9 years now. I have 3 girls ages 6, 9, and 13. I absolutely love homeschooling and I love sharing it here on this channel. And if you've been here before, you know that I absolutely love subscription boxes, especially those for homeschoolers. Before getting into this box, I wanted to give a big thank you to My Pre-K Box for sending me this box for review. Now let's go see all the stats for this box.
This is for kids ages 3 to 5. It is a mom and educator developed box that targets essential pre-kindergarten skills and fosters these early learning skills through play. In this box, you will find reusable activities, dynamic math/STEM activities, literacy games, sensory play activities, and a themed craft. This month's theme is zoo, and past themes have been pirates, farm, dino, gingerbread, and Valentine. Something near and dear to the company is having a partnership with a company that offers a work-study program for people with disabilities. Shipping is monthly and it's free. Prices for a monthly plan are $37.95, 6 months $32.95, and 12 months is $30.95. They offer a Craft Lovers upgrade with 2 additional activities for $4.25. Use the code BOOKTASTIC15 to get $15 off your first box. Okay, let's open up the box and see what is inside. So we can see here that it is the ZOO box. And on top here, it shows that they have a giveaway where you could win a free box. And here we go. We have a little pamphlet here, which I'll wait to the end just in case it has a spoiler. This just shows all about the Craft Lovers upgrade. And if you got that, these are the extra crafts you would have received in your box. And then on top, we have the play mat for a zoo race game, all with the letters of the alphabet that are in lowercase with such adorable and cute pictures. And then we have a placemat for a game called Red Panda Rhymes. My youngest daughter, she has been all into rhyming lately, so she is going to love this. And then we have the mat for a game called Hungry Hippo. I bet all of you remember playing that Hungry Hippo game growing up. And then we have a package here with popsicle sticks and some cards inside. Let's see what's in here. So we have cage patterns, where I'm guessing that you put the popsicle sticks there on the end. Elephants, bear, kangaroo, a tiger, rhino, and zebra, and a bison. So with the sticks, you will do the pattern orange, green, red, orange, green, red, orange, and then they'll put the green stick. And next here, it looks like we have the fun craft, and this one is a foam craft. Then we have some of these sticks. What are they called? They're these wax bendable sticks. And maybe it'll say in the book because I don't remember what they're called. But these are a lot of fun to use. And then we have Hungry Hippo. And this looks like a math game. We have some adding. Let me open this one up. So we have all these little flashcards with the addition on them. And next we have Syllable Snack. Let me open this up. And we have some cards with all the different animals on them. And in my daughter's kindergarten, we are doing syllables right now. So this is absolutely perfect. Oh, we have a sloth. We're actually going to be going to an indoor zoo, and we're going to have an experience for the sloth coming up very soon. And then we have a second set of the crafts. And I know she put this in here because she knew that I had a second daughter that would be interested in doing that. And then we have some game pieces with a cute little giraffe and a lion, a dice, and some bingo chips. And then we have, oh, this is pretty cool. It looks like some kind of sensory slime. And it looks like there might be something inside. Maybe we'll open this up later and see. So let me put everything back in the box, and then we'll check the booklet that came with the box. So here is the pamphlet, and this gives you all the different directions on how to play all the different games. Oh no, and those are called Wiki sticks. I would not have remembered that. We have the Hungry Hippo game, Zoo Race. Oh, there's a lion in the putty, very cute. The cage patterns and the red panda rhymes. I think this box is absolutely perfect. I'm always looking for things for my kindergartner to do when her older sisters are doing their work, and she has finished her school already. This box is going to be a great addition to our homeschool classroom, and I highly suggest this box for any kids that are doing pre-kindergarten skills. Now let's go and let's have my daughter open this box, and we're going to do a few examples of some of the games and activities in the box.
I have my pre-K box.
Are you excited to open it?
Uh-huh.
Okay, go ahead.
And we have these pieces of paper. We can play games on them.
You excited to play the games?
We got this fence thing. I don't like build this fence or something. You like cards and some jello.
Slime.
Slime. I love slime. I guess this stuff is for a game or something.
Yeah.
And crafts. And confetti! 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 I really like this, Mommy. And I want this again. Can we play the games?
You ready to play some of the games?
Yeah.
Okay, now for this one, you're going to finish the patterns with the colored sticks, okay?
Okay.
You did it! Good job! Did you have fun?
Yeah.
Okay, let's get the next game. Okay, next we're going to play a rhyming game. Do you love rhyming games, Holly?
Yeah.
Okay, so we have Doug right here. Can you say Doug?
Dog.
Okay, now we're going to see if any of these words on this tree rhyme with Doug. And if it rhymes, you're going to put on a green leaf, okay? So we have jug. Does jug rhyme with Doug? Okay, put a coin on. Put a leaf on. Okay, how about tug? Does tug rhyme with Doug?
Yes.
How about hug? Does hug rhyme with Doug?
Uh-huh.
Now how about bear? Does bear rhyme with Doug?
No.
No, so don't put a leaf. And then how about rug? Does rug rhyme with Doug?
Yes.
Yes, good job. Do you want to play another game?
Yeah.
Okay, next we're going to use these Wiki sticks, which are these wax bendable strips. And this is called the enclosure shapes game. So we have, what shape is this?
Square.
And you're going to take the sticks and you're going to make the shapes and help keep the animals safe inside their enclosure in the zoo. So you're going to bend it, okay? Okay, good job. Do you want to play with the slime next?
I think this.
Okay, you ready to open it? What do you think's inside?
Maybe like a toy or something.
A toy? Let's see.
A lion.
A lion? A lion.
I want to play with this.
Now play with it? You gonna build the craft?
Yes.
And here it is. Did you have fun making this? What do you guys think at home? I think it came out so cute.
So what did you guys think? I absolutely love this box. My daughter absolutely loved this box as well, as you can see from the clip I showed. I highly recommend this box, and don't forget I have that code Booktastic15 to get $15 off your first box. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Please consider subscribing, and please hit that bell to be notified for future uploads. Again, I want to thank you so much for watching today, and I hope you guys have a wonderful day. Bye, everyone.